Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Start with the great name of Allah, who is Rahman and Rahim, who makes me able to stand here today, and who makes the sun color the seven skies in the sky, and then hundreds of stars are shining in the sky because of Allah. Respected sir and dear class fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today I introduce myself. I'm Javeria Rafiq belong to Karachi, Pakistan. The topic which I speak today, that is how can we be sincere with our life. So firstly, you know very well that life is blessing from Allah. But some people can't understand what the meaning of life in their future, in their past, or etc. Stages of life. Life has 7 stages, but in there I speak about the 3 stages of life. The first is childhood. Yeah, it is childhood. When we are in childhood, so we just remember that that is my mom and that is my dad. Not other things that we are having in our minds. And the second stage of life is in schools. Yeah, in schools, but students mostly misbehave with their teacher in school. Mostly in schools. So this is very wrong way. And sometimes teachers scolds him or her. So they were told us that "Bahar mein bataunga." So this is very bad. And the third stage of life is in college, and it is also called the mature life. But in this era, the students which they college, so they always misbehave with their teacher, especially with their friends, especially jealous with their class fellows. So it is very bad system in our area, in our Pakistan. So that is very bad. Please change it. Behavior and respect. Some people can't understand the importance of behavior and respect in our life. Because if you have not good behavior with each other, so you will look like animal. Because without behavior manners, you look like animal. Because animals have different type of any type of senses as compared to you. And respect is most important thing in our life, because please should respect with your elders, with your friends, especially your teachers. Because I saw many places that students can't respect their teachers. Especially, I can't speak the name of one student in morning classes. So I banned on him. Yeah, I am banned on him because he disturbs me anytime. Their mobile are not on silent, and they are all doesn't take their conversation class and go outside. Even they are go to home, or even they are go to washroom. So please take the permission from a teacher. Okay, manners. Manners are very important for being a respectable man and for being a respectable citizen. Because if you have not manners, so same the points. You look like animals. Because you look the dog at roads, and they have nothing the senses and type as compared to you. Struggles. The struggle is a key of success. You know very well that it's a quotation that Allah those helps who help themselves. So if you are not struggling in your future for your future, so you are not do anything for your future. And in future you think that what I can do for myself? Nothing. Yeah. No. Okay, the thinking, you are better know that what's the meaning of thinking, but I speak that thinking have 2 meanings. One is positive and one is negative thinking. If you are interested in for your future, so you are always walk on the positive way, not the negative. But some students, especially some teachers, walk on the negative ways, so study in every class. So please walk on the negative way, or please think negative thinkings. And if you are interested in what to become in your life, so you are always thinking positive thinking, not a negative thinking. Compatibility. Compatibility, you are thinking in your mind, so what's the meaning of compatibility? It is meaning that it's more meaning that competitions, compare us as me or him as anything. Their competitions are very important for being a successful man, because if you have not competition with others, so why you can do for yourself? No, please compare as well as our students also with our teachers, because there are some students, there are some senior students, they become a teacher in Bible Institute. Okay, depends on other. Never gets attachment to people, because too much attachment leads to expectations, and expectations leads to disappointment. Yeah, it is true. During this era, the people depends on their teacher and their politicians. I hate, firstly, but I hate all politicians, especially Punjabi and you doesn't appeal for Nawaz Sharif. So what is this? This is totally wrong. In morning classes, the one student, Amir Khan, he bent on the politician Imran Khan. Please tell me that your politicians gives you money, any type of money? No. Any type of food? Nothing. Their protests are full of girls and boys, especially youngers, and they dance with each other. Like European style, dressing is European style. So he always argue with me for protest of Imran Khan. What is this? You are taking English classes conversation in here, not an argument for me and with me. So this is very bad system in our country. If foreign country people are talk about the Pakistan, so they laugh from Pakistan. That's the reason. Imran Khan bends on Nawaz Sharif bends on Pata nahi kiske upar. So this is very wrong. Please change your minds. Okay, we are fed up. Yeah, of course, it's a reality. We are fed up. Our own personalities, our teachers, our home, our family members, our all the friends, we are fed up and we are jealous with each other. Jealousy is a thing that they breaks a true relationship. So don't fed up from here. And if we are get the point that we are Pakistani, we are Muslims, we have ability to do everything. So we are do it for our future, inshallah. In the end of my topic, I want to say that please get the point from your presentation. Not for your present, please your future. And your future will be the marvelous. Thank you so much.